Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
Where do you live?
I live in Colombo.
Where do you live?
I live in Colombo.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
Does she work at the hospital?
Yes, she works at the hospital.
Does she work at the hospital?
Yes, she works at the hospital.
When does the train usually arrive?
The train arrives at 9 a.m. every morning.
How often do they go for a jog?
They jog in the park 3 times a week.
Where does he live?
He lives in an apartment downtown.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
How often does it rain in this region?
It rarely rains here during the summer months.
What time does the supermarket close?
The supermarket closes at 10 p.m. every night.
Do they usually eat dinner together?
Yes, they usually eat dinner as a family.
Where do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually spend my weekends at home with my family.
What time does the movie start?
Answer: the movie starts at 7:30 p.m.
Present progressive. What is she doing right now?
She is studying for her upcoming exam.
But I need the book soon.
Why don't you come with me?
I wish I could, but I have a meeting.
How long will your meeting last?
About an hour.
I'll get the book for you then.
Can I come to the library with you next time?
Yes, we can go together.
Where are you going after the library?
I'm going to the grocery store.
Can I join you there?
Sure, but don't forget your shopping list.
I won't forget. By the way, do you know that man over there?
I think I've seen him before.
Isn't he our neighborhood?
Oh yes, now I remember.
Do you know his name?
Yes, his name is Mr. Sharma.
How do you know that?
I spoke to him once when I was outside.
Do you know what he does?
I think he's a teacher.
Why did she do that?
She did it because she was upset.
Why did she do that?
She did it because she was upset.
Does it work?
Yes, it works perfectly.
Does it work?
Yes, it works perfectly.
Is the fish clean?
Yes, the fish is clean.
Is the fish clean?
Yes, the fish is clean.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Do you like me?
Of course, I like you as a brother.
When will you get married?
After 3 years later.
What kind of marriage do you like?
Sorry, could you please clarify?
Arranged marriage or love marriage?
Oh, I prefer arranged marriage.
Okay, I have to go.
Alright, talk to you later.
Do you want some cake?
Yes, please.
Would you like to drink coffee?
Yes, the coconut coffee is the best.
Do you want something to eat?
No, thank you.
Okay, I will have chocolate cake with coconut coffee.
Great choice.
This chocolate cake is perfect.
I think so.
It took months to perfect the coconut coffee recipe.
Wow, I love it here.
I will pay the bill.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Lena.
Hi, Thomas.
Can I pay my eat?
Sure thing, it's $20 altogether.
Did you forget your keys today?
No, I remembered them.
Did you forget your keys today?
No, I remembered them.
Did you go for a walk this morning?
No, I stayed at home.
Did you go for a walk this morning?
No, I stayed at home.
Did you enjoy the weather today?
Yes, it was sunny and warm.
Did you enjoy the weather today?
Yes, it was sunny and warm.
When did you visit your grandparents?
I visited my grandparents last weekend.
Did you eat breakfast today?
Yes, I had toast and jam.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Did you watch TV last night?
No, I read a book.
Did you watch TV last night?
No, I read a book.